Item number SCP-3934. Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures. A pod of 59 SCP-394 instances is currently contained within Lake Volcang and Site-220's Parazoology Reserve, known publicly as the Bay Natural Reserve. Foundation parazoologists are to ensure that all specimens receive adequate nutrition and health care, and are also responsible for overseeing a breeding program designed to minimize inbreeding-related genetic defects within the population. Bodies of deceased instances are to be disposed of via cremation, following standard testing and examination procedures. Reports of uncontained SCP-3934 instances, whether feral or domestic, are to be investigated by members of MTF Phi 2, Clever Girls. Should a live instance be discovered, it is to be brought unharmed to the nearest Foundation facility. From there, transportation will be arranged to Site-220. To prevent accidental injury to personnel or the instance, only members of Phi 2 or other staff experienced in working with Mesozoic reptiles are to interact with the instance prior to its arrival at the reserve. Description: SCP-3934 is a species of amphibious reptiles produced via anomalous means by Marshal, Carter, and Dark, LLP. Instance of SCP-3934, classified as Plesiosaurus pygmaeus, grew to only just over half the size of the Plesiosaurus, with adult males averaging 1.9 meters in length and adult females averaging 1.7 meters. Specimens are omnivorous and subsist on diet of fish and aquatic flora. Though created anomalously, SCP-3934 instances do not possess any anomalous biological features or adaptations. SCP-3934 were originally created in the early 20th century in MC&D with the intent to sell instances as exotic pets or aquarium denizens. The exact processes used to accomplish this are unknown, but instances have been confirmed to share nearly identical skeletal structures with historical Plesiosaurus, with the obvious exception of size. Following their success, MC&D used viral marketing tactics to create a demand for the specimens. Starting in 1933 and continuing for the various 2 decades, MC&D staff leaked images and stories of SCP-3934 to the media, the most famous example of which is the 1934 surgeon's photo. The campaign was a success, and international fascination with the Loch Ness monster phenomenon resulted in further attention. MC&D capitalized on the legend's popularity to sell specimens to numerous wealthy individuals of noble or industrial background in both Europe and the United States. Between 1935 and the present, an estimated 1,200 to 1,400 SCP instances have been created and sold. Pricing is believed to have arranged approximately, data redacted, USD per specimen in modern currency. SCP-3934 are highly social animals, both with the members of their own species and with humans. Seized internal MC&D documents relate that their behavior patterns were modeled after Labrador Retriever canines in order to facilitate customer satisfaction and safety. However, while their temperament was very conducive to their status as pets, the effort required to take care of them was not, due to their size and altered biology. Specimens require a specialized diet, a marine habitat at least 1 million liters in volume, and frequent specialized medical care. Many buyers could not provide these conditions, which resulted in the vast majority of SCP-3934 instances dying or being abandoned within 2 years of purchase. This outcome was likely planned obsolescence on the part of MC&D, as it encouraged repeat purchases. Infant instances replace dead or unwieldy adults. Abandoned or wild instances of SCP-3934 often react with unexpected violence towards humans and other mammals. A high degree of carnivorous predation and territoriality are also common attributes of these feral specimens. In at least 3 cases, multiple feral instances mated to form wild pods. The largest of these was located in Lake Champlain, where 6 feral specimens resided prior to their containment. Through specialized behavioral conditioning, Foundation parazoologists have achieved 73% success rate in rehabilitating feral specimens.